Hi, my name is Zach, and this is my presentation on CRISPR. So let's start out with, what is CRISPR? Well, CRISPR was first discovered in 1987 within the E. coli bacteria. My basic understanding of CRISPR in the E. coli bacteria is that when viruses would attack the bacteria and implant their DNA in there, the CRISPR protein would go and help destroy the DNA of the virus that was put into the bacteria. So it was a defense mechanism for the bacteria. Nowadays, people know CRISPR as as a way to genetically modify humans. This is not the case though. It does genetically modify humans, but there is also ways to genetically modify animals, livestock, and agriculture, and just most living organisms. The use of genetic modification was not brought about until 2012 though, so this is a fairly new technology. The applications of CRISPR, most of these are very theoretical, especially the ones about humans. So the application to humans, the treatment of genetic disorders, sickle cell anemia, cystic fibrosis, autism, all genetic disorders that could possibly be cured with CRISPR. There have been thoughts about how the HIV virus could be solved with CRISPR, through therapeutic use, of course. Physical deformities caused by genetics, to be more specific, like blindness, like deafness, can be cured with CRISPR. And cognitive function diseases like Alzheimer's, Parkinson's disease, Huntington's disease, most forms of dementia can be solved with CRISPR. Other applications besides humans is, especially with agriculture, making crops more suited for climate change is one that I found. Creating vegetables, agriculture that is more nutritious than regular, and outside of agriculture into more medicine, CRISPR can help with the creation of new pharmaceutical drugs and antibiotics that would help a lot of people. So how would I want to use CRISPR? Well, I would like to use CRISPR in the case of agriculture. The use on humans is very ethically debated. It's a very controversial thing, but I feel like that using it on agriculture could help out everyone. First off, climate change is a constant topic and is slowly getting worse. So being able to suit our vegetables, suit our agriculture to fit the new climate would be best, so that we can actually have a stable source of food still. That being said, that same food can be made more nutritious. The more nutritious food could help out lower income people in certain parts of wealthy countries. It can also help countries that are in famine or are just have a low food shortage, and being able to have more nutritious foods can help lower the amount of people who are malnourished. So what is wrong with genetic modification? Well, the first concern is there is no safety. There is no safety proven about CRISPR or how it works. The second is, even if CRISPR was to be used as a good thing, as a therapeutic thing, it can slowly devolve into something that is used for genetic modification in body parts, enhancing certain features of a person, changing certain features of a person that really just don't matter. Another problem with genetic modification is just how unregulated it is. Since it is a brand new technology, there's no regulation behind it. So it is very and it's not that safe. The issue of consent is something that people have brought up, how using it on an unborn child or genetically modifying a child is breaching their consent and making this lifelong decision that will affect them for years and for the rest of their life. That being said, it is not that uncommon for parents to do this sort of thing, to make these decisions that will change a child's life forever. Another point is how expensive the procedure could be, and how only the higher class, the wealthier people, could possibly afford this, and not people in the middle class or the lower class. And the last problem is morals. This playing God, basically, and just changing how people are made up on a molecular level, gets in the way of people's religious morals, or just people's moral compass in general. And how this just doesn't seem like something that is right to do, even though it would be used for good. Alright, and that's it.